my amazing viewers, welcome back to Cook with Grace Kiswe. And in today's video we'll be making something different. When I mean something different, something we all know in Africa known as African salad, or you call it abacha. The Igbo call it abacha because it's a native and traditional food known by the Igbo tribes. So with me, if you're just joining us today, you're welcome to this channel. I'm Grace Kiswe, and this is Cook with Grace Kiswe. So if you've not subscribed yet, what are you still waiting for? Please click on the subscribe button and subscribe, and please don't always forget to give us a thumbs up if you like our videos and love what we are doing here. So without wasting much of our time, I'd like to introduce the ingredients we'll be using for this special delicacy known as African salad, or abacha in Igbo language or Igbo dialect. So let's move further. So this is what we'll be using, which is the main abacha. This is it. This is what they call abacha. So this is the way it looks like. This is the dry abacha. Okay, so we have our garden eggs, we have the uba known as oil beans, we have our chopped onion, we have our crayfish, we have our thoroughly washed dry fish, we have otaza leaf. Yes, kind of beach fish, but it's medicinal. We have some use potage, but me, I'm using what they called, I don't know what they call it in English. Some, not everybody, some use potage, and some potage is not actually good for them. They have running stomach each time they use potage, so that's why we are using this. We have our salt to taste, we have our seasoning cube, we have our pepper, Cameroon pepper, and you have our palm oil. So these are the ingredients we'll be using for this abacha. So all the ingredients I just mentioned here are the ingredients we'll be using for this to make the African salad or abacha. So now just follow me down to the kitchen where we prepare this delicious tradition and African delicacy known as African salad. So let's dive into the kitchen where we prepare this delicious delicacy. And please don't forget to like our video. So let's go. Yeah, your light seats. You set it aside. So yummy. So this is me saying thank you for watching, and please don't forget to thumbs up and give me a like if you like this video. See you guys on my next recipe. Love you guys. Bye.